Why do we spend so much time on defining solutions and so little time defining the problems? I've got one of the best people on the planet with me today to answer that question. Indi Young, author of Mental Models and Practical Empathy. Indi, why don't we?
I can think of 3 reasons right off the top of my head. First, we don't know how to listen. So much of the way that we think to understand users starts at the level of explanation, of their generalizations about things, of their preferences and their opinions. And this is all the thin layer that we each use to present ourselves to the rest of the world. But those inner thoughts, those reactions, our guiding principles, these are the things that we keep inside of us. Those are the things that we really need to be getting at when we listen to our users, so that we can deeply understand how they work, how they think. Second, we design for users who essentially don't exist. We're trying to make a product that works for as many people as possible, and we end up making some sort of a Frankenstein that doesn't work for anyone or only works for our own thinking style. We're not taking the time to understand the different types of thinking styles that are out there and produce things that will support different approaches more appropriately. Third, we rely on demographics as a shortcut for understanding people. This is a convention that we have, and we do it subconsciously. For example, a team I was working with at an airline, their manager saw in quantitative data that many more females checked their baggage than males. And so they automatically assumed it was because women had so much makeup and so many shoes. We actually did some research, and it comes down to many, many other reasons that have nothing to do with gender, not to mention binary gender. And we found people who were talking about some item that was very precious to them that they wanted to bring on board and not allow anyone else to handle. And there's many more reasons why people tend to abandon the problem space too early and dive right back into the solution land. I'm going to cover all of these reasons and how you can sort of pull back from solutions and spend more time understanding the problems to give yourself much better vision into what solutions to make in my workshop, Mental Models for Better Decision Making.
And we're really proud to host Indi. Rosenfeld Media is producing her workshop. It's going to be a day-long workshop in New York on May 21st, 2019, and in San Francisco on September 12th, 2019. We hope you'll join us. Click the link below to learn more. Thanks for joining us, Indi.
Yay!